Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you uh, how to make a logo with a photo. Uh, Actually, this is for my client. One of my client, he wanted to have a zombie hand. Now I'm going to show you how to make a logo with a hand photo. First, import the hand photo. There's a hand photo there. Then we have to go to colors, saturation, put the scale to 0. Okay. We have a black and white photo. Now I want to make the shadow to see a little bit darker, so go to curves. I think this will be good. After that, just create a new layer from here, fill it with transparency, then select the pen tool. You can select the size with the bracket key, set the opacity to half, I guess. Then trace over the outline of the hand. First select the red paint, then trace it over the hand. Okay guys, we have finished tracing. Now we can see the outline of the hand. Now we have to trace over the dark area to make it darker. So select the pen tool and select the foreground color as red. Then make the size of the paintbrush a little small, actually a lot of stuff smaller. Then outline the black area of your hand, that's means shadows. Okay guys, we have finished with the tracing. Now select the bucket tool and select the foreground color as red. Then fill in this area like this. To save time, I will make the video faster. Okay guys, so we have finished. And to cover the white area, select the paintbrush and cover them. Okay guys, we're finished. Now we have it like this. And I will make it black, so go to colors, threshold. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this I am doing with Gimp. Okay, I have make it black. Now I will set the opacity to 100. Then go to new file, the new I'll select the image size, width 1280, height 12. The size of this image doesn't matter unless it is square. Select it with pixel, fill with transparency. Okay, then we'll have a new page like this. Then select the snap to guides. It will be selected by the default setting, but be sure. Then go to image, guides, new guide by percent, horizontal 50. Then again go to image, guides, new guide by percent. Now we will make it vertical 50. Then we will have a middle point of the background. Then go to free select tool, no, ellipse tool. Then hold Ctrl Shift on the keyboard, then make it a little smaller than the background. I think this will be fine. We have already selected black as our background color, so go to select, no, edit, fill with background color. We have a image like this. Then go to opacity, set by half, I guess. And then go to the first layer we have created, file, no, not the file, edit, copy visible. Then go to the other background, here to edit, paste as new layer, and this. Then go to the move tool, select the hand, we'll set it like this. Okay, I think this will be good. We just have to take the fingers selected. To do that, go to the free select tool, hold shift on the keyboard, then get a round shape of the fingers, then let go, then press enter. We have this selected. To remove this, go to select, invert, then press delete on the keyboard. We have removed it, and now I will have to go to the, I will make this part of the image lighter than the background color. To do that, go to erase tool, then make the size of it a little bigger, then select the background first, then you can, oh sorry, first select none, then you can remove this. I will make the video faster to save time. So guys, we have finished with the removing the black area of this. Then go to the background, set the options to 100. Then go to the paintbrush, select the foreground color black. Sorry, pasted layer. First select the pasted layer. Then make this black. It will be good now. Okay. Then we have to select the ellipse tool, point it in the middle point, then hold Ctrl Shift on the keyboard. Then make it a little bigger than the previous circle we have just made. Mm, this will be alright. Then just let go. Then select the foreground color as white. Then go to edit and fill with background foreground color. Sorry for that. Select the background, then go to edit, then fill with foreground color. Oh, not this. First create new layer, fill it with transparency, then go to edit, foreground color, and now just select none. After that, put the layer in the down of the background. Then we'll have this. We have to add the finger with white as the outline. To do that, select the pasted layer, go to then select the paintbrush and select the foreground color as white. Then we have to make this follow what I am doing. Okay, now we have completed the making a logo. To make this a little darker, go to a bucket tool, select the pasted layer and select the foreground color as black, then just fill it with black. Then go to the file. To have the transparency background, you have to select it, export it as PNG. To do that, go to the file, export as, select where you want to save it and name it whatever you want. I will name it hand logo .png. Then export it and leave it default export. Then go to the file where you saved it. Then we'll have a logo like this. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and like this video. So goodbye.